Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make a shape using pen tool. Okay. Create a new layer. Select the pen tool. You select shape, path, click shape and shape color. Select color, customs color, stroke. I do not use stroke. Now click the shape. Hold shift for fix size. Hold shift fix size. Hold Ctrl for resize the shape. OK. Again hold Alt, remove pen tool outline. Hold Alt, remove this. Hold Alt, remove this. OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.